If you haven't followed this channel, please do well to subscribe, hit the like button and turn on the notification bell, alright, so that you will get notified anytime I drop a new video. You can also suggest videos, alright, videos that we are going to drop on this channel. So if you have any video that your child is having any challenge with, you can suggest it, any topic rather, you can suggest it on the comment section. I'm going to go through it and I'm going to come up with a teaching video to explain whatever challenge your child may be having. Okay, so we're going to jump into what we are doing today. We are looking at what? Comparing and ordering fractions. All right, you must have seen this kind of problem before. You're wondering, how do I do it? It looks difficult, right? How do I know which one is bigger, which one is smaller? Now take this example. Example says arrange the following fractions in ascending order. All right, we want to arrange these in ascending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order means from the smallest number to the biggest number. Okay, so we want to arrange in such a way that we'll start from a small number to a big number. But here's the challenge. This is a fraction. All right, how do we tell which fraction is smaller, which fraction is bigger? There is a very simple way of doing that. I'm going to show us with 3 good examples in this teaching video. All right, so sit tight and enjoy this class. All right, so we're looking at the first example here. Arrange the following fractions in ascending order. How do I do this? First of all, I'm going to find the LCM, all right, of the denominators here. Okay, LCM of the denominators. So I'll find LCM of 4, LCM of 8, LCM of 12, LCM of 3. Denominators 4, 8, 12, 3. So I'm going to find the LCM of all of these. Okay, remember how we used to do it? We'll draw a line. Let's find LCM of 4, 8, 12 and 3. So assuming I have 4, I have 8, I have 12, so I'm going to put one more line to accommodate 3. All right, so this is it. I'm going to use number 2 first. 2 into 4, that's 2 times 2 into 8, you get 4 times. We have 2 into 12, well, that is 6. Can 2 go into 3? No, so we'll bring back our what? 3. We're going to use 2 again. 2 into 2, that's just 1 time. 2 into 4, that's just 2 times. 2 into 6, that is just 3 times. Well, our 3 comes back. We're going to use 2 again. 2 into 1, that's 1. 2 into 2, that's 1. Well, 3 and 3 again. Okay, looks like our line needs to be longer. All right, needs to be longer. Okay, so I'm not going to use, because I have all 1 and 3 here, I'm going to use 3 now. Okay, 3 into 1, that's 1. This is 1. Well, this is 1 and this is 1. Okay, so what we have here, we are beginning to find, we are close to getting our LCM. So what do we do next? We are going to say 2. So LCM is going to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. That is multiplying everything we have here. Okay, multiplying everything we have here. Okay, now if I multiply this, 2 times 2 gives me 4. 4 times 2 gives me 8. All right, now 8 times 3 gives me 24. So my LCM is equal to 24. Now that I've gotten my LCM to be 24, how do I solve this? Now I'm going to do this. All right, I'm going to solve it this way by saying, now look at the numbers I had here. Look at these numbers here. Okay, let's look at these numbers. So this is what we are concerned with. We want to see which one is bigger. All right, so look at my screen closely. Now the first number I have here is 3 over 4. Okay, I have 3 over 4, so that is what? 3 over 4. Okay, I have 5 over 8. Okay, that's 5 over 8. I have 7 over 12. All right, over 12, and I have the last one 2 over 3. I have the last one 2 over 3. Remember my LCM is what? My LCM is 24. So I'm going to put 24 here, okay? 24 here. Now 24 into 4 is how many times, alright? We're going to find out how many times 24 can go into 4. When we get the value, we multiply it by 3, alright? When we get the value, we multiply it by 3, okay? So 24 into 4 will give us, that will be 6. That will be 6, okay? Now 6 times 3 gives me what? 18. So I have 18 here, alright? 24 into 8 is 3 times. 3 times 5 gives me 15, alright? 24 into 12 gives me 2. 2 times 7 gives me what? 14, alright? 24 into 3 gives me how many times? Gives me 8, okay? So 8 times 2 gives me what? 16. Now remember, we were told to arrange what? Arrange the following fractions in ascending order. So what do? Now ascending means from smallest to the biggest. Now from here we can see that the smallest number here is clearly what? 14. What is the fraction of 14? 7 over 12. 7 over 12. So I'm going to write 7 over 12 as my first fraction, which is the smallest. What's the next smallest number here? 15. Alright, 15 is what? 5 over 8. So I'm going to write 5 over 8. What's the next smallest number here? 16. What's the fraction of 16? 2 over 3. So I'm going to write 2 over 3. Alright, and the next number here is 18, which is the last. 3 over 4. 3 over 4. So you can see I just finished explaining how to arrange fractions in ascending order. Alright, this is going to be our answer. 7 over 12, 5 over 8, 2 over 3, and 3 over 4. Very simple. All you have to do is what? Find your LCM, bring it down here, and then divide by the denominators and multiply the numerator. Once you get your values, you now check which number is bigger, which number is smaller. Very, very easy. Alright, number 2 we have here arrange in descending order. So it means we're going to start from biggest number down to the smallest number. As usual, we're going to find our LCM. Okay, we're going to find LCM. So LCM is going to be, we're going to draw a table again. We're going to find LCM. Okay, so this is going to be 4, it's going to be 8, this is 9, and this is 3. So I'm going to use 2 first as usual. 2 into 4 is 2 times. 2 into 8 we have 4 times. Can 2 go into 9? Of course not. Cannot go into 3 also. I'm going to use 2 again. 2 into 2 is 1. 2 into 4 is 2 times. 2 into 9, well, 9 is back, 3 is back. I use 2 again one last time, which balances for 2. We have 9 and 3. Now I can use 3. 3 here, 1, 1. 3 here is 3. 3 here is what? 1. I can now use 3 again. This is 1, 1, 1, 1. Alright. So I'm going to multiply all of this, alright, to get my LCM. So LCM will be equals to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. All right, so 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is what? 24. 8 times 3 is 24, and 24 times 3 will give us 72. All right, so our LCM here is 72. 72. What are we going to do? We are going to write our 72 down here. All right, now remember these are our values here: 1 over 4, 5 over 8, 7 over 9, and 1 over 3. So 24 divided by 72 rather. 72 is our LCM. If we divide 72 by 4, what are we going to get? If we divide 72 by 4, we're going to get 18. Okay, so 18 times 1 is going to give us what? 18. All right, now we have 72 divided by 8. 72 divided by 8 we have 72 divided by 8, all right, which gives us 9. 9 times 5 gives us what? That's a 45. Okay, we have 72 divided by 9, which gives us what? 8. 72 divided by 9 gives us 8. Okay, now we have 8 times 7, 56. So write 56. And the last one, 72 divided by what? 3 by 3, which gives us what? 24. 24 times 1 is 24. Okay, 24. So we're asked to arrange in descending order from the biggest to the smallest. Biggest to the smallest. What's the biggest here? We have 56. What is the fraction of 56? Fraction of 56 is what? 7 over 9. 7 over 9. 7 over 9. So we are going to write 7. Okay, 7 over 9. 7 over 9. The next one is what? 45. 45. What's the fraction of 45? Fraction of 45 is 5 over 8. Alright, so we have 5 over 8. Okay, the next one here is 24. What is the fraction of 24? That is 1 over 3. So we are going to write 1 over 3. And the last one here is 18, which is 1 over 4. 1 over 4. We have successfully rearranged in what? Descending order from the biggest to the smallest fraction. Very, very simple. Alright, arrange these fractions in ascending order. Okay, this is the last example for this tutorial video. Alright, so as usual, we are going to find the LCM of the denominators. LCM of the denominators. Alright, we're going to do it together as usual. Alright, let's see LCM of the denominators. Okay, so we have 12, we have 10. Well, this is 5, this is 5. So we can use 2 for starters. 2 to 12 is what? 6. 2 to 10 is 5. We have 5 down here. We have 5 down here. Okay, 2 can work again. 2 into 6 is 3. Well, this is 5. This is 5. And this is 5. Alright, we can use 3 now. So 3 into 3 is 1. This is 5. This is 5. And this is what? 5. Last number we're going to use is 5. 5 here is 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is our LCM. Our LCM. So our LCM will be equals to 2 times 2 times 3 multiplied by 5. All right, so 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 5 gives us what? 60. LCM here is 60. So we're going to write these numbers down so we can see clearly. 5 over 12, these fractions. 3 over 10. We have a 3 over 5 here. And we also have 2 over 5. So you want to draw a line, put your LCM here, 60. Okay, now 60 into 12 is 5 times. 5 times 5 is what? 25. Okay, 60 into 10, 6 times. 6 times 3, that's 18. We have 60 into 5, that's 12. 12 times 3, that gives you I think that's a 36. We have 60 into 5. All right, that's 12. 12 times 2 gives you 24. So we are rearranging in ascending order. It means from smallest to the biggest. Okay, smallest to the biggest. Okay, let's see. So what's the smallest number here? 18. What's the fraction of 18? 3 over 10. Okay, so that will be 3 over 10. What's the next smallest number? That's 24. The fraction is 2 over 5. 2 over 5. Okay, what's the next number here? 25. The fraction will be 5 over 12. 5 over 12. And the last, we have 36, which is 3 over 5. 3 over 5. This is how you arrange. All right, you arrange fractions, ascending or what? Descending. Please do well to watch this video as many times as possible. pause it, play it, pause it, play it until you grab every single thing I did in this video. If you watch it 2 3 4 times, I bet you understand everything here. Go to your textbook, try many examples, and you will surely get it what right. Okay, so I'm cheering you on. Okay, do as many examples as you can. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and turn on the notification bell to get my next video. Remember, I said you can also suggest the next topic